Hi everyone, this is Joyce Lanaha and I'm going to teach you how to do the basic task with text. It is very important to know how to perform the basic task with text when working with text, including how to insert text, delete text, select text, copy and paste text. So, when working with text, if you're new to Microsoft Word, you need to learn the basic of working with text so you can recognize and edit text. How to insert text. First is move the cursor to the location where you want text to appear in the document. Click the mouse. The insertion point appear. So this is now the insertion point. Type the text you want to appear. For example, simplicity is the ultimate form of sophistication. Since the font size is too small, then you can select for more sizes. Just highlight the whole text. Then change the font size. It can be 16. You can also make it bold, italicized, or even underlined. You can also change the font style if you want. It can be Arial. Then if you don't like the text, then simply delete it. But how? First is place the insertion point next to the text where you want text to delete. Then go to the backspace key on your keyboard to delete text. That's it. But if you want the whole text to be deleted, then just highlight the following and then press the backspace key. So now you have learned how to insert and delete text. Let's go on how to copy and paste text. Go to the documents where your files is being stored. So this is now the document. Then select one item. Example, the case study. Open it and the content will show. So this is now the content. If you want to copy this text, just highlight the following. Click the copy command on the home tab. Or you can also right-click your document and select copy. Since the text is already copied, then go back to the MS Word. Click the paste command in order to the text appear. Ta-da! Ta-da! So this is now the text that you have been copied from the document. Okay, this is how it ends. Thank you! I know that this MS Word basic task with text is very simple. That's why I'm very confident enough that you have learned something from me. God bless. Thank you for listening once again. This is Joyce Lanaha informing. God bless.